Friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm sharing the essential oils that we use daily. First, I'll share the oils that I use every day, oils and rollers and what I diffuse. Then I'll share what the kids like to use and what I roll on them every day or most days, and then I'll share what Chris likes to use every day. All right, my morning oils are trying to get them all sorted out. I'm definitely the one that uses the most oils, but I have kind of scaled back and really just being more intentional about specific things, listening to my body on like what I need. But in the morning, I use Progestins Plus to support hormones. I am planning on doing a whole updated hormone video for you guys because mine is getting a little old. It's mostly the same things that I'm doing, but I have some updated information. But anyways, Pro Plus and Joy. This is my favorite oil to start the day. Roll on like on my neck, on my wrists, and just really brings joy. I love the smell of it. It's bright and floral. This I like to roll on my legs, like my inner thighs or ankles, or forearms, but you want to rotate the application. That's what it says. Then also in the morning and at night, we use the immunity roller. This one is Rocky Mountain oils. You can make your own with thieves or whatever immune support blend you have, but it's mostly cinnamon, clove, frankincense, lemon, lavender. Ooh, this one is not what I just said. That's thieves. This one is lemon, lavender, marjoram, frankincense, and cardamom. It smells very good. It is like low, it's like earthy and sweet and a little bit spicy. I really like this one. The girls use this one as well. And they label their oils really nice. So that says Rocky Mountain Kids. This is pre-diluted. Most rollers that come like this should be pre-diluted, so you can roll them right on. And then I like to sit and read in the morning, and this is my favorite morning diffuser oil. This is Aligning by Rocky Mountain. This one is rosewood, spruce, frankincense, German chamomile, and Roman chamomile. It smells so good. It's sweet and grounding. Oh, it is so good. So good. It makes me just feel like at peace and good. And I love diffusing this next to me when I read in the morning. And then I don't work, well, I do work every single day, but I don't have a regular, like, I do that and then I go right to work. But when I do get down here to work, these are the two oils that I like to use. This is Focus. I like to diffuse this. It's by Simply Earth. It's cardamom, frankincense, eucalyptus, and sweet orange. It smells really good. It's definitely different than the Aligning. You know, it's kind of similar in the oils, but it's kind of got like a twofold. It's like sweet and spicy. So I really like that one. And then this is my roller with blue tansy and peppermint. I discovered the combination of blue tansy and peppermint in the Rocky Mountain chakra blends, and that is the heart chakra. Oh my gosh, this is my, like when you find your oil, blue tansy is my oil, and I'll share the one I like to get, but I love blue tansy. It is my #1 favorite essential oil. And then mixed with peppermint is like zingy and just wakes you up. And blue tansy I use for inspiration and creativity. So this is like the ultimate working roller for me personally. And then I put lavender buds if you're wondering what's floating around in there. But that's my roller that I like to use, but this is the blue tansy that I buy. This is Plant Therapy. They also have 2.5 milliliters, so if you want to just buy a little half bottle, a little sample size, I guess, if you will, it's like 10 or 12 bucks. This one's 20. It just smells so good. Chris doesn't like it. Not everyone likes it, and it does stain. It's literally really dark blue. I can show you on my wrist. So there we go. So it does stain. It will stain your clothes. I wouldn't advise putting this on your dryer balls. But I just love it so much. It is just like, for me it's grounding, and it does have like kind of a pepperminty, like I don't know what constituent that would be. I should look that up. But it does have like an uplifting and grounding scent to it. It's my favorite. You can also DIY. It's really good on skin. So you can use it in your like scrubs. It's good for armpit detox scrubs. I've seen that 100 times. I haven't ever tried that. I really want to. I just keep forgetting. But and then in like a lot of luxurious night oils, like expensive brands, they use blue tansy. So it's really good for skin support. And then two other, I think these are the last two. No, I have three more. I use the most oils in the house. But anyways, and I don't use these every single day. All of these are just like my must-haves. Like we're traveling soon and I will be bringing all of these with. These are my ride or dies. So the next one is Skin Tone. This is Rocky Mountain. I just get my moisturizer in my hand and then add a drop or two of this and then rub it on with my moisturizer at night, and I really love it so much. It has a bunch of oils in it. And it is diluted, so you can put a couple of drops on and use your jade roller or your gua sha. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. I really want to get into that. If you use a gua sha, I think that's how you pronounce it, let me know. I do a lot with my roller and just hand massage for lymph, but those look fancy, so I want to get into it. This is fennel, orange, geranium, lemongrass, patchouli, petitgrain, spruce, pine, cypress, myrrh, vetiver, lavender, and nutmeg. So it smells really good. It's very like spicy, like it's very strong, but it's relaxing. It's just part of my routine, and I like to put that on at night. Then if I work out, I don't always work out, but I do like to do yoga. I like to finish up my yoga with this roller. It's Sacred Frankincense, and these are pre-diluted, so you can just roll these right on. Like I said, there is something about Sacred Frankincense. It is different for sure than regular frankincense. It is just, I don't know, the ultimate grounding oil, and Sacred Frankincense, like what sounds better than that? So I like to finish like a yoga flow with that. And then at night I put this on the bottom of my feet. This is rutavala, I don't know how you pronounce it. It's rue, valerian, and lavender. That's how they got that name. So when this is out, I will just copycat, make a roller with these oils in it. Because these pre-diluted Young Living rollers are super expensive, and this does not smell good. It is like take your breath away. It doesn't, but it knocks you out. Like it's so good for sleep support. Okay. Next, what did I say I would do next? I'll share Chris's oils next. Oh, and at night I like to diffuse patchouli. I love patchouli so much. I have a perfume roller, which I should have brought down and showed you. I think it's patchouli, cedarwood, and lime. Love patchouli. I use that one every day. I should have brought that down. If I had to rank my oils, number 1 would be blue tansy. 2 would probably be, see, I would have to do like blends and singles separately, because my blends, Joy, Valor, and maybe something else, and then singles I have blue tansy, patchouli. Yeah, I don't know, it would be hard to rank those, but anyways, these are the rollers that Chris uses currently. Ooh, and I think I got them all. This is like a roller with gem, like black onyx in it, so if that's why it looks funky. But this is a Shutron copycat. We ran out of Shutron, and in like perspective of like if you're comparing Shutron, the price of it, to a cologne, it's not that expensive, but I just didn't feel like paying for it again, so I just made one. Shutron smells so good. It is like sweet but masculine, if that makes sense. And it's grounding. I don't even remember the oils that are in it. I'll put it down below, but it smells very good. So if you have any of the oils to make like a copycat, I would suggest doing that. Chris's favorite essential oil is Northern Lights Black Spruce. I did not bring that down, and I'm really hoping to maybe find something of that nature in a different brand eventually. We're just kind of phasing out of Young Living a little bit. I'll still be a member, like, and buy a tiny percent of my oils from there, but Northern Lights I haven't been able to find anywhere else, so let me know if you know of any. But that's his favorite. He also has a sleep roller. I don't honestly remember what's in this one. See if I can smell it. Oh, it smells like it's just lavender, maybe lavender cedarwood. So I made that one up for him. The key with men and oils is to have them ready to go, so nothing's complicated, and having it right where the places where they'll use them. So like in the bathroom I have the cologne roller. By his on his nightstand I have all of the rest of them, so he can like wake up and use them, or he just knows where they are and they're easily accessible. That's just what works for us. The next one is Gratitude. He loves Gratitude essential oil, so I made a roller of it. Gratitude is very grounding. I think it's frankincense. What else is in here? I don't even know. It's not like a bright and uplifting. It's a very grounding oil. And grounding, there's two different Young Living oils. Grounding and Gratitude are pretty similar. He likes both of them, but that's a roller of that. And then, oh, this is Idaho Blue Spruce, another roller. It's probably really hard to read. But Idaho Blue Spruce is a good testosterone support oil. And it is, I like this one too as a cologne. It smells really good. It is just like man in the woods. It smells really, really like a tree, like a Idaho Blue Spruce. So that one is really good. There are, we watched a whole video on hormone support, men and women, and Idaho Blue Spruce was like the #1 man hormone supporting oil. Okay, the kids are next. We recently got the Simply Earth Kids roller box, which is not a subscription, it's just a one-time, but it was really fun to make. Zara helped me make it. I'll try to put it here if I can find it and go back and find it. But it came with the oils you need, the bottles you need, which are really cute bottles, and then these labels, which are really stinking cute. So this was one of my favorite Simply Earth makes, but they have I don't know, maybe 6 of these rollers, so that was fun. But this one's the Bumps and Boo Boos, Bumps and Boo Boo roll-on. If you have kids, you know this is like a daily use. Any time of year, anything can happen. The next one, Emery uses this before school, and she really loves that this is part of her routine. So it's called Joyful Noise, and it's a citrus blend. So let me see. It's very, it might have like a vanilla-y type of oil too. But anyways, it smells like a orange creamsicle. She likes putting it on and then singing like joyfully, and she thinks this is Joyful Noise. So anyways, it's just a fun one. Orange is very uplifting, and sometimes she gets a little nervous or sad in the morning. So it's all about kind of just learning when your kids will get in certain moods, which is close to impossible sometimes, and then placing the oils where you'll need them. So in the car is where we keep that one. Like in the backpack, I have a bunch of oils that on the go we might need. So it's all about intentionality. This one is Rest Easy, a sleepy roller. The labels for these are so cute. Hope you can see it. Really good. And I'll link this little kit below. It's really fun to make with your kids. This smells really good. It's very grounding, and lavender and something else. Lemon, whoa my gosh. Lemon we use every day with the girls. They wear these little tiny rubber bands, and this, you just put 1 drop on each rubber band and it just pops it, so no tears and yanking those things out. Lemon is just like, I don't know, the freshest oil on the planet too, so I really like using this for cleaning. It's a natural Goo Gone, so that's another. There's stickers. They are better now, but they used to put stickers on everything, so this is a natural way to get your stickers off. And then at night, this is my favorite oil. I have a few that I rotate through, and I'm going to do a whole video on sleepy oils, but this one is called Sleepy. It's by Simply Earth, and it's lavender, grapefruit, hoe wood, and bergamot. I like the blend of that because it's not just a lavender or a very like calm, grounding. It has the blend, so it's a little more, I don't know, sweet, and just smells so good. I love diffusing this at night, and I love making diffusing and rolling these on, like the nighttime roller, part of our routine, and the girls really like it too. If you have any questions on any of the essential oils that I use or Chris uses, or oils in kids, please let me know. I'll answer your questions in the comments, or you can DM me on Instagram. That is pretty much it. Like I said, we don't use every single one of those every day, but those are the ones we have handy at all times. I think I covered everything, but if I forgot something important, like I feel like I am, just let me know, and I thank you guys so much for watching to the end. I hope you have a great day. Bye.